Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add photos to your Showit blog. All right. So first up, make your page. If you already have a page, you can go ahead and add in a section. Like when you go ahead over to pages right here, click on three dots and just add in a blank canvas. Okay. Right here, for example, I have two. Okay. This one, maybe I'm just going to click on it. Okay. Click on or hover your mouse onto add element, and then here you can go ahead and choose gallery, okay, for your blog, like so. Fit it if you want to, tilt if you want to, like so, okay. Now just click on it and make sure that it is highlighted, and you can go ahead and go to manage images right here, click on it, and then upload your own images, okay. Now, for example, I'm just going to go ahead and choose these photos right here. Click on the check mark. Next, save. Just wait for it. And in the meantime, while it's loading, you can go ahead and go to gallery settings and maybe the type sliding gallery. Okay. If you want to, it could be as a carousel. All right. And loop the images if you want to. Now in here, let's just go ahead and add in maybe an image or an image block in this section. Okay. And maybe a picture right here at the top. There you go. And again, the same steps applies. Click on the block, choose an image, maybe this one. And then this one as well, choose an image. You could go ahead and add in a title if you want to. Okay. And there you have it. You could always choose these options to make it even more attractive, like a hover. Okay. And some other options. And that is it. That is basically how you add photos to Showit blog. And when we try to preview it, here's what it looks like. Okay. The carousel and the images. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.